Welcome to Vantage Aditya. Today, we're kicking off an exciting new series on generative AI. Whether you're a beginner curious about artificial intelligence or a tech enthusiast looking to deepen your understanding, this series is for you. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of generative AI, including neural networks, what makes AI generative, and the crucial role of data in AI. Let's dive in. 1. Introduction to generative AI. So, what exactly is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence focused on creating new content, whether that's images, text, music, or even entire videos. Unlike traditional AI, which might classify or predict, generative AI is creative by nature. Think of it as AI that doesn't just analyze but actually generates content. Imagine an AI that writes stories or paints digital art. This is the power of generative AI. 2. Understanding neural networks. To understand generative AI, we need to understand neural networks, which are the backbone of many AI systems. Neural networks are designed to mimic the human brain, with layers of neurons that process data and learn patterns. When you hear about deep learning, it usually refers to complex neural networks with many layers. These networks are what allow AI systems to learn from vast amounts of data and make sense of patterns, enabling tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Think of a neural network as a web of interconnected points, each learning from data and improving with each iteration. This structure is what allows generative AI to create content that feels natural and human-like. 3. What makes AI generative? Now, what sets generative AI apart from other types of AI? Generative AI is unique because it can create new data based on existing patterns. Unlike a simple classification model that tells you if an image is a cat or dog, generative AI can generate an entirely new image of a cat or a dog that didn't exist before. It does this by using complex algorithms that learn from large datasets and then use that knowledge to create original outputs. Take ChatGPT, for example. It's a generative model trained on language data, allowing it to generate realistic responses, write stories, or even create poetry. This creative capacity is what makes generative AI so exciting and versatile. 4. The role of data in AI. Finally, let's talk about the role of data in AI. Data is the fuel that powers any AI system. For generative AI to learn and create, it needs large amounts of high-quality data. The AI processes this data to understand patterns, trends, and structures, allowing it to generate new and meaningful content. In the case of a generative model for language, data might include millions of sentences that the AI uses to understand grammar, tone, and context. Without data, AI cannot learn or improve. Data quality and quantity are crucial, as they directly affect the AI's accuracy, creativity, and reliability. So, remember, in AI, data isn't just important, it's everything. In this video, we've covered the basics of generative AI, explored neural networks, discussed what makes AI generative, and highlighted the role of data. As we continue this series, we'll dive deeper into each of these topics and more, so stay tuned. If you're as excited as I am about the world of generative AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And share this video with your peers, friends, and family. Let's keep #creating greatness together on Vantage Aditya.